In this video, we will see how to download and use LabelImg. This is the interface of LabelImg. Before going to the downloading part, let's have a quick introduction. LabelImg is an open source image annotation tool for object detection. It is a free software and open source. It annotates the image. It helps create label dataset for object detection tasks. Support formats like YOLO and Pascal VOC. The key features are it is really very simple and user-friendly interface. You can see that how simple the interface is. There's no extra tools, tabs, and other things. It supports multiple formats, YOLO and Pascal VOC. You can change the formats by clicking on this button. Once click, it changes to YOLO, and another click, it changes to Pascal VOC. For faster annotation, it supports keyboard shortcuts, and the software is really very lightweight, only few megabytes. It simplifies annotation for object detection, essential for training AI models like YOLO and Mask RCNN. In research and industrial applications, it is widely used. Now let's see how to download. It can be downloaded using Python and pre-built executable. But downloading pre-built executable for Windows is easiest option. You can copy this link and go to the GitHub repository and download the LabelImg executable. Let's go to the browser and paste the link. Press enter. This is the GitHub repository. We can download the software by clicking on the Windows zip file. Let's click on this. And the download started. The file has been downloaded. Let's go to the download folder and check. This is the file we have downloaded. Let's extract this. We have extracted the file. Now let's open this. You can see that the LabelImg executable file. Double click on this. An information screen may appear. Just click on the more info and run anyway. And that's it. We have successfully opened the LabelImg. Now let's see how to use this. For that, first we need to open an image. Let's open an image. This is a sample image for annotation. We will use YOLO annotation, so let's change it to YOLO. Now we need to create rect box. For that, click on create rect box and let's make rectangle. The annotation, labeling, text box is appeared. We need to write the labels here. Let's write the label of the annotation we have just done here and press OK. Now let's do another one, the cat. And write the label. Enter and OK. And third one, the dog. Write the label, press OK. And the final one, the donkey. Let's do the rectangle. And write the label. Okay. You can see that 4 annotations has been successfully done. Now we have to save this. For that, we need to go to File and Save As. And just click on Save. We can see that 2 files has been generated. One is classes and another one is annotation. These 2 files are needed for YOLO object detection. It was a brief introduction about LabelImg. Thanks for watching.